In this video, we're going to be disassembling a kid's camera from the brand Manso because the battery on it is not holding any charge even though we keep it plugged for a long time. You can see we turn it on, immediately it goes off. And while it's connected to the power, it keeps on. So something's up with the battery. We're going to try to disassemble to replace the battery. Let's see how we do this today. So to start with, we're going to use little screwdriver. And I was trying to pry this open, of course, and that's not the way to go about it. I imagine this was some sort of decal, but it isn't. It's a plastic piece. What I'll find out is that I can just pry it open by doing this. And as you can see, you can get the whole back open, which is going to expose the screws that we're going to go ahead and unscrew now. So let me get that going now and see what we're gonna find inside. Hopefully the battery, and it's something that we can replace. So our daughters or boys, if you have the blue one, because I believe it comes in blue too, or children get back to being happy using their camera. So we got 4 screws. And now that we remove the screws, I believe it should be a matter of pulling this up, and yep, just made some pressure, this one this way, this one this way, to open it. And I open it slowly, and yes, here we have the battery right here, the circuitry, and the camera, the microphones, the speakers, the LED lights, the switches, shutters, and not sure if that's clear enough. Okay, maybe I focused that better. But this is the battery I want to try to replace. It looks, I don't know, kind of wet for some reason. So it seems to be glued to the bottom. So let me see if I can just pull it back out. Without damaging anything, I don't know. Alright, let's just unplug it first. Of course, it's always the first thing that we're supposed to do. And this is glued in very well, so I'm thinking this is going to need some sort of heat gun. Okay, now just doing it slowly. I'm not sure if you can see that, but the glue at the bottom is kind of coming out a little bit. If I pull just so slightly slower, just make sure I don't damage the circuit board. Okay, so alright, so battery's out. Seems like a little piece of foam, I'm guessing chilled the bottom chip set and from the battery. And now the fun part is to try to determine what battery this is so I can order a replacement. So far it says 100 mAh, and I can't distinguish what it says. It doesn't say, but I'll try to find a replacement. So for now, I think you know how to disassemble and how to take the battery out in case your camera is doing what mine is doing. If I find a replacement, I'll post a second video installing it, and hopefully, oops, that fixes the issue. Thanks.